Hi, my name is Anand Kirathi and thank you for watching this video. Hope you're staying at home and staying safe. In this video, I try to explain why gold is a great asset class to invest in even today and what are the various ways in which you can participate in the gold up move. First, as many would know, gold is a great hedge against inflation. It's a great diversification tool, and many are worried that gold is already at all-time high and should I invest today? Just for your comfort, in US dollar terms, gold is still well below 20% of the high that it saw in 2009. Essentially, gold has given negative returns in US dollar terms in the last 12 years. I'm sure that gives you a lot of comfort. Even if gold goes back to its old all-time high of 2009, we are expecting a 20 to 25% return in INR terms. Now, on why should it go up? Gold has got 95% negative correlation with US real interest rates. As many would know, US real interest rates is already negative, and hence we expect gold to significantly move up in the next few days. Now, on what are the other reasons why gold will go up? Gold is a great hedge against tail risks. What are tail risks? Tail risks are those, in a very simple term, a black swan event. And gold gives us a great tail hedge. Now, on what are the ways in which we can buy gold? First is, of course, physical gold, which is right now not available in plenty. Second is gold ETF. These are ETFs that are listed on stock exchanges, and you could buy directly from any of the exchanges. Third is gold fund done by many mutual funds. You could go and buy gold mutual funds. Just for your information, few gold mutual fund houses have stopped taking subscription. And fourth and the final one, in my opinion, is buying gold mining companies. Let me explain you a bit on that. Let's assume that the gold mining cost is at about $900 to $1,000. And at the price of $1,700 US, the gold mining company is right now sitting at a 70% margin. Any up move gives significant delta to the margins of these gold mining companies. Fortunately for us, the gold prices have gone up, but the equity share price of many gold mining companies across the globe haven't shot up equivalently. That gives us a good option to buy those via many fund of fund schemes offered by few mutual fund houses in India. Please do contact your investment advisor for further details, or do write to us for clarifications or advice. Stay safe and thank you.